John Roberts is the current Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Early life. Roberts was born on January 27, 1955, in Buffalo, New York. His family then moved to Long Beach, Indiana, where he attended middle school and boarding school. Roberts was an excellent student, which led him to Harvard Law School, graduating magna cum laude with a J.D. in 1979. Law career. After college, he was recruited to work for Judge Henry Friendly of the U.S. Court of Appeals and also Associate Justice William Rehnquist on the U.S. Supreme Court. Working for the two influenced Roberts' view on the law. In 1989, Roberts worked for the Justice Department under President George H.W. Bush as Principal Deputy Solicitor General. And in 1992, President Bush nominated Roberts for a spot on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. District, but Senate did not vote and his nomination expired. Supreme Court. In January 2003, Roberts was nominated again for U.S. Court of Appeals by George W. Bush and was finally confirmed in May of that year. Some cases Roberts ruled on were Hedgepeth v. Washington Metro Transit Authority and the Hamden v. Rumfeld case. Presidential appointment. On July 19, 2005, Sandra O'Connor retired from position of Associate Supreme Court Justice. President Bush nominated Roberts to fill her spot, but immediately withdrew his nomination after hearing Chief Justice William Rehnquist passed away. President Bush then nominated Roberts for the position of Chief Justice. On September 29, 2005, Roberts was confirmed as the 17th Chief Justice of the U.S. by a margin of 78 to 22, more than any other nominee in American history. Roberts is the youngest Chief Justice there has been since John Marshall in 1801.
The people involved in this landmark case were Sally Reed, Cecile Reed, Warren Burger, other associate justices such as William Douglas and Alan Deere. The Reed versus Reed case started on October 19, 1971 and ended on November 22, 1971. This case had a big impact on women's rights. It also sparked a light in people and gave them hope. It showed them that women deserve the same amount of respect and benefit that men receive. A memorial stone was put on behalf of Sally Reed. This case originated in probate court of Ada County, Idaho. Sally Reed and Cecil Reed separated when their adopted son died. They both wanted their son's estate, which was worth less than $1,000. They each filed a petition to be named administrator of the estate. Alan Durr was Sally's lawyer who argued that women deserve the same things men deserve. The Reed versus Reed case went to the Supreme Court because it violated the 14th Amendment, which forbids discrimination because of someone's gender. The Supreme Court voted unanimous in Sally's favor, which means that everyone agreed for Sally to be the ambassador of the estate. They stated that to give favor to a male was unconstitutional.